Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create order presets in TradingView, a fantastic little time-saving feature that's going to make your trading process way more efficient and consistent. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and save the order settings you use most often, so you can jump right into the action every time without having to fill things in from scratch. Alright, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up TradingView in your browser. If you already have it bookmarked, that's perfect, just click your way in. Once you're there, look up towards the top of your screen for the Products tab. This is where TradingView gives you access to all its different tools and features. Give that a click. Now, this next step is pretty easy to miss if you're new to the platform, so I want to make sure you know where to look. Scroll down to the bottom of the products list and you'll find the Trading panel. Click on that, and TradingView is going to show you a list of broker options that it supports. This is a crucial step because without linking your broker, you won't be able to place real trades or set up your order presets. So go ahead and select your broker from the list. Just take your time here. Even if your broker isn't on the default list, there may be an option to connect it using third-party apps or APIs, depending on what you use. Once you've highlighted your broker, click Connect. A small pop-up might appear asking you to sign in or authorize access. Just follow the prompts. Take a breath if anything loads slowly. Sometimes the login process can take a moment or two. With your broker successfully connected, you'll notice that the Trade button becomes available within the Trading panel. Go ahead and click that, and you'll now see your basic trading interface open up, with sell and buy options front and center. But don't rush to place an order just yet. Before you make any trades, it's really important to set your trading settings. This is where you tell TradingView how you want your trades to behave by default. So type in the number of units you typically trade with. This is especially handy if you trade the same position sizes over and over, like 100 shares, or a specific lot size in Forex, for example. Next, set your take profit and stop loss levels. These are your guardrails. They help you lock in profits when things are going your way and limit your losses if the market turns against you. Even if you don't use the same levels every single time, having a default can save you precious seconds and help you stay disciplined, especially during volatile moments. Now for the magic of order presets. Look just above the order label on your trade ticket. You'll see a small icon labeled Order Presets. Click on this and you'll get the chance to name your preset. You can call it whatever makes sense for you, like Default Day Trade or Swing Setup. Type in that name, hit save, and you're all set. The next time you trade, your saved settings will be ready and waiting with just one click. And that's really all there is to it. Order presets in TradingView take just a few minutes to set up, but they can really streamline your whole process and keep your trading more consistent. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions about order presets or TradingView in general, drop me a comment below. I always do my best to reply and help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical trading tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.